Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install PyTorch in Jupyter Notebook the easy way. Whether you are into deep learning, AI or machine learning, PyTorch is an essential tool. So let's get started. Now let us see what is PyTorch. PyTorch is an open source machine learning framework developed by Facebook AI. It is widely used for deep learning, computer vision and natural language processing. Compared to TensorFlow, it offers a more flexible and Pythonic approach to building models. Before we can start using PyTorch in Jupyter Notebook, we need to install it properly. Let's install PyTorch in Jupyter Notebook. So for that, we need to open Jupyter either from the command prompt or from Anaconda. And to install PyTorch, we need to write this command pip install torch, torch vision, torch audio. So the exclamation sign at the beginning tells Jupyter to run a shell command inside the notebook. So this will download and install PyTorch along with Torch Vision that is used for image processing and Torch Audio for that is used for audio processing. Verify the installation to see if PyTorch is working. For that we need to import Torch and then we can print its version by writing this command torch underscore underscore version underscore underscore. Now let me run this. Okay, so we can see that this is the version, so this means that torch has been imported and it is working correctly. So now what we can do is we can also run PyTorch code. So let us create a simple tensor. So for that we need to import torch. Since we have already import torched in this cell, we do not need to write that command again. So let me create a 3x3 random tensor. So for that I'm creating a variable x and in that I'm storing torch.rand 3. This means that it will create a random 3x3 tensor and let me print x to show the tensor. So see, a random 3x3 tensor has been created. So this means that we have installed PyTorch and now we are ready to start building deep learning models. And that's it. Now you know how to install PyTorch in Jupyter Notebook the easy way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.